If you want to use your Google Pixel 9a as a webcam on your laptop, right? Follow the simple steps. So first of all, let's grab a cable, USB to USB-C or USB-C to USB-C if your laptop supports USB-C. Enter the one part of it into phone and the second corresponding one into your laptop. Great. There we are. Now, let's swipe down from the top right corner and press on charging this device via USB. Here, choose your webcam option. Great. Now, let's open up our phone, and here we can press webcam, and here is going to be the preview of our webcam. So let's leave our phone for now. We won't be needing it. Now, on your laptop, tap on your Windows icon, tap on your settings. In your settings, we gotta locate our Bluetooth and devices, locate your cameras, tap on your Android webcam, and basically that's it. Now we can use, as you see, I'm adjusting my Android phone and I'm using it as a full-blown webcam, and basically that's how it works. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.